Hi guys, welcome to Learning with Harry. So, as discussed in the last video, there's a video too for Google Sheet, and this is a trick like how you can extract a unique value in Excel with flash of second. In Excel, either we use duplicates like remove duplicates, or I personally use pivot table to get unique value, but that is not a case in the Google Sheet. You can easily find with the help of single formula. So if you can see my screen, I have a sample data for some of the country and the product ranges. Obviously this is a sample data which is taken from internet. Now I will show you how can you use any formula you wanted to start. Use equal to, open the formula that is unique. You can see here the unique formula is inbuilt by Google Sheets. So you can see the description, unique rows in the provided source range. Now we have to start the formula. Now you have to provide us some range. I'll select this range for the country from F2 to F701. Simply I close this. If you see, the further description is in the format which is optional. You can see this is optional. I'll not use as of now. Let me close the formula and enter it. See, I have got directly what are the country name used for this column. So what are the advantages for this? When you use unique value, you can easily find by using duplicates, pivot table, so many ways. You can comment so what other ways to find duplicate value in Excel. But when it comes to Google Sheet, you simply use unique formula, and this is basic use when you are using, like you are creating some summarized data or some data validation. If you know data validation, you can correlate with this example when you wanted to some unique value to be fall under the data validation. You can also use this kind of thing. And what others ways you can use, you can comment it. And one more way, suppose I'm just deleting this, and I have some data here like data sample. I'm just writing word data sample, and now what I'm using unique value. And also unique value you can use for the two column. Okay, F2 to G701. Now press enter. You will see some error, reference error. What is error? You can read it out. Array result was not expanded because it would overwrite the data in C2. So there's a C2 cell which contains the data. You have to delete it because I am using two columns ka data, so I need two columns space. It will not expand unless and until you have a blank column. So I'm just deleting it. It will give me duplicates along with the country name and product combination. So you can obviously check. You can filter it out. You can find a duplicate. For the Canada, you should have this product, and for Germany you have this product. The data is like distributed like this. So remember, you should have, if you're using for single column, and obviously I'm just doing undo. Suppose I have not used anything here, but I have a data sample here, and I am trying a formula on this cell. Now it will also give me error because there is a data containing, and this column, this formula will result for this particular cells, or maybe some more. I'm not sure depending upon the data, but you have something between. You should delete it. So there's the result. This is a trick number 2 for Google Sheet. Comment it whether you like it or not, and what is a usefulness in the practical way. As I told you, data validation, or you can create summarized table by this formula. So comment it guys, and please subscribe this channel. Thanks. Have a great day guys. Bye.